Being a High Court judge, like no more than any judge of any court, is a huge responsibility. You make a declaration pursuant to the Constitution in the presence of the Chief Justice and the Supreme Court in the Supreme Court. It's a short declaration, but it is very moving and touching, and it means what it says. I hated school when I started out. I resisted strongly. My eldest sister got into trouble most days because she'd be late trying to bring me to school, and something happened in first class and I all of a sudden loved school and became top of the class and never looked back thereafter. I was probably a bit vociferous and would challenge the nuns if I didn't agree with what they were saying. I spoke up for the students, I suppose. I would always have had that sense of being up for the underdog, and it started when I was in school, I suppose, and it hasn't ceased since. It had always been my ambition to study law. I did my Leaving Cert in 1975 and I went on to UCD to study law, to do a BCL. However, I didn't settle in Dublin, didn't like it, didn't enjoy it, and I took the decision to leave college and take some time out. So I worked for a number of years, and I then, in 1980, I decided that the happy times had to come to an end and that I needed to get serious and return to college. So I went to UCG, which I loved from the outset. I think it's an intimate college. The staff, the law department then was a young emerging law department, very dynamic, and it inspired in me an interest and a love of human rights and constitutional law, which has never left me. I have to say I was very fortunate because I devilled with Catherine McGuinness, as she then was, now Mrs. Justice Catherine McGuinness, in my first year, and we got on very well. I learned a lot from her. She would always still be my mentor. The Irish legal system is a wonderful system in my view. It is available to the ordinary man and woman in the street. That is the way the independent referral bar system works and has always worked. And while I always took the view that real lawyers, when an important legal case comes up, despite what the public opinion might be, it's not the fees that are first on your mind, it's whether or not you could make law in relation to this particular point. When I look back, probably the best thing I did was take some time out and then to commence studies at UCG, which I found to be a very dynamic and inspiring college. I think UCG, now NUIG, is a fantastic college and institution, and it looks after its graduates very well, and I'm very happy to be associated with NUIG and to assist in any way that I can in relation to its students and their future careers.